Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how you can generate AI images with Canva. In Canva you can find a feature called text to image. It will generate AI images, which you can sell online in various websites and earn money. So, let's start the video. First go to Canva website, choose the size of your template. Then click on the plus sign. Click on apps. Now, scroll down a bit and click on text to image. Write the description for the image. Then choose any style that are given below. After that, click on Generate. You will get lot of options. If you don't like any of them or want more, then click on Generate More. You can see the images are in really good quality. If you don't have any idea what kind of images you want, you can also try the suggested options. There is also a 3D character option. You can make a 3D character of your own. Just put the description for the character. That's the end of this video. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, then comment down below. If you want to buy my design or want to make a customized design, then contact me. Contact information are given in the description and pinned comment.